G'day guys, my name's Chris. Welcome to Purewax Car Care Products. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about our premium dressing from Purewax. It's a super long-lasting solvent-based spray that will turn faded plastics such as this back to the original colour. Okay, so for the application, I prefer to use one of these applicator pads that also part of the Purewax range. Simply, I'll actually soak a little bit of product into the pad. Typically wearing gloves for this because it is solvent based. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the product in a circular motion to the faded trim. You can see we've actually got a bit of tape here to show you the before and after. You can actually get nice and close to things like the plate here using our applicator pad. You see a little goes a very long way. And keep squeezing the foam. Get it into all these little micro pores in the plastic. So we're going to do half the bumper so we can show you the before and after. Working the product in. And again, you see it's still coming out of the pad, even though we only put a little bit on the applicator. Okay, we'll stop there. That should give you a bit of an example of the before and after. Some people leave it on like that to dry. Other people do try and take it off with a microfiber cloth or a rag. And what we'll do, we'll now reveal the before and after. Okay, night and day.